Drive in style, inspiring progressive design, and sporty elegance. With one of the biggest interiors in class. The MQB platform gives longer wheelbase and wide proportions. Drive safely. Full LED headlights and taillights are standard. Full digital cockpit available. Turbocharged engine with best-in-class torque. Available 8-speed automatic or 6-speed manual. Drive the innovation. The all-new Jetta offers a full suite of available driver assistance systems. Front assist and blind spot monitor help to prevent accidents. Best-in-class warranty, 72,000 miles or 6 years, bumper to bumper, fully transferable. Drive connected. Beats audio system with premium speakers and 400 watts. New infotainment systems with available 8-inch screen. Always online with Volkswagen App Connect, Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, and MirrorLink. The all-new Jetta brings premium comfort and features to the compact class at a truly affordable price. The all-new 2019 Volkswagen Jetta.
Yeah, you like it. Ladies and gentlemen, on behalf of the entire Volkswagen family, I'm really proud to present to you the new Volkswagen Jetta. This car is based on Volkswagen's MQB architecture. Compared with the current car, the new Jetta grows outside in every dimension. The increased exterior proportions add up to more interior space than the previous car as well. Outside, the Jetta marks an evolution in Volkswagen's clean and timeless design. Coupe-like lines and a refined appearance. The combination of a large front grille and sharper lines expresses a bold character. And the LED lighting lended a premium feel. Inside, the Jetta's fully redesigned interior combines high-tech features with everyday usability and refined fit and finish as you would expect from any Volkswagen. In terms of infotainment, the Jetta also features Volkswagen's fully digital cockpit. The available Volkswagen CarNet system offers compatible smartphone integration with the 3 major platforms: Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and MirrorLink. And last but not least, the new Jetta is the first Volkswagen in the US to offer a 400-watt Beats audio system. Important, as the Jetta always has been the car for the young customers here in the United States. The Jetta's technology upgrades include a comprehensive suite of driver assistance technology like forward collision warning, autonomous emergency braking, blind spot monitor with rear traffic alert, adaptive cruise control, high beam control, and lane departure warning. With these new features, we experience a dramatic increase in safety. Thanks to the technology used in forward collision warning and autonomous emergency braking, the number of accidents involving third parties has been almost halved wherever we introduced this technology. To go down on the streets, the new Jetta will be powered by a 1.4-liter turbocharged direct injection TSI engine, making 147 horsepower and 184 pound-feet of torque, the highest in the compact sedan class. When it comes to the price positioning, this great car will start at $18,545 in the United States. That's less than the outgoing car. Productivity improvements and the sheer scale of our worldwide MQB platform allows for that. Ladies and gentlemen, the 2018 automotive year has just begun. We are putting the pedal to the metal in the US market with this new Volkswagen, the best Jetta of all time. We are driving forward with our worldwide model offensive as well. And we are stepping up our efforts to make all-electric and autonomous driving available in the volume segments as fast as possible. We at Volkswagen want to give as many people as possible access to these innovations. That has been the goal and the mission of our brand from the very beginning, and it will carry on into the future. May I wish you all an enjoyable day and a great motor show. Thank you very much.